Hey y'all, Nicole here, your Gulf Coast gal. I am here at the Mississippi Aquarium with my new friend. I am so excited to explore. I picked up my membership pass and this is the first time I've ever been here, so I can't wait to walk around. Membership was only $100 for me for the year. I think it's quite reasonable when admission is $30 for adult. Me and my new friend are gonna go explore. I can't wait. I'm so excited. First exhibit, American alligator, and I think I found both of them. You see them? There's one, and you can kind of see the tail of the other. There he is. So cool. Let's see if we can spot some cuties. The otter is the mascot for the aquarium. Maybe over there. How cool is he? And there's another one. I don't know if you can see it with the reflection right there. Look how pretty. And this little guy. All right, how many birds do you see? Those pink guys are by far my favorite, for sure. Super cool projections on the wall when you head to the third floor, which is the start. So fun. I love how you already feel immersed in the experience, and then I love how the escalators are lit. Really sets the tone. I'm getting excited. Also cool is they have some of the history of the Port of Gulfport. We did a tour with the Port of Gulfport, and I'll be sure to link that video. And this is part of their touch tank area. You can actually touch the rays. They're all baby rays, horseshoe crabs, and there's sharks in here too. They're so fun to watch. Look at this guy. And then it is right next to the really cool dive tank that they have over there. You can actually pay to have a dive experience using one of those dive helmets. That would be a fun experience. Oh yeah. So cool. The centerpiece as you go down to the next levels. You know we love roundabouts like this. It reminds me of Glen Meadows Discovery Center, and I'll be sure to drop a link to that video as well. Alright, what's next? I'm so excited. And we are here about 11 o'clock in the morning. We got here around 10:30, and it's not too busy at all. It is a Monday, so if you're looking for light crowds for an experience just in the correct climate, I would definitely recommend this time of day and week. I'm definitely not going to show you everything as well, because I want to make sure that I give you an opportunity to explore and see things on your own, and for us to come back.
fish you're talking about, Katie?
Yeah. Those are tiny cleaner fish, but I can't remember what they're called right now. It's like, it's right on my tongue. I can't remember what the name was.
So cool.
They went around that corner.
For their big old bodies, yeah.
Yeah. Because I know I know. Like, I'm just like, what are you?
Can you see the eel?
They're doing their weekly cleaning.
Like, how beautiful is that? I just want that to be my screensaver. Giant aquarium in the office. Oh, I love it so much. I just love the projections on the floor. It just adds to the immersive experience. And this is the downstairs for that tube touch tank, dive tank that we were in earlier. And I like how they have the cute little kids crawl corner so they can kind of crawl in there and be part of the experience. Let's check out that 360 tube. How cool. So that 360 tube we were just in is actually the only completely 360 tube in an aquarium that you can walk through in North America. So I think that's pretty awesome. They're doing some weekly maintenance behind me in the tank, so it's been a super fun experience so far. I can't wait to see what's next. Hi. So that's it for our trip here to the Mississippi Aquarium. I definitely enjoyed it. I'm glad that I do live locally and am able to come here anytime I want. I found a really cool spot for a relaxing, read a book, enjoy the water and the whole sea life experience. I also enjoyed watching the otters. They're super cute. So for $100 annual membership for one person, and they have family package, and as such is pretty good value. This will not be my first time. I'm gonna pass through the end of August, so I'll be sure to come back and show you guys some more exhibits or some things they change up or some other experiences. At the entrance where you purchase your tickets and your memberships, they also have a gift shop, and then right behind the beautiful sails there's also a cafe. So I'm excited to come back and dine there. They have like pulled pork specials right now, but these are the beautiful sails. Love it. You also have a really cool view of the Port of Gulfport and Jones Park. I'm sure this would be a great view during Christmas time when they have their awesome light display going on. That's it for me, Gulf Coast Gal. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on more activities, attractions like Mississippi Aquarium, and yummy restaurants you can only find here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast.